guys, welcome back to the Flying Chicken. I don't know why I popped out right there, but welcome back to the Flying Chicken. In front of me, I have the Nintendo Switch 2. My dream since ever they said they were going to make a Nintendo Switch 2. I love Nintendo. Here's my own Nintendo. I was just playing some Fortnite there, like, oh, I'm baby. Anyway, so I got this, and when I knew that the Nintendo Switch 2 was coming, I could not wait. On June 5th, when it was released, I wanted to get it. Every single store didn't have it. They were out of stock on the freaking first day. Well, the second day, actually, because Nintendo Switch 2s came on the second day, but all of them are out. And Nintendo said on the first 4 days, 4.2 million units were sold. 4.2 million units. Imagine how that is in the first 4 days. And this is the thing that destroyed the stock market. Well, it didn't destroy it, but big hit, bro. 4.2 million units in the first 4 days, making the first, not the first, but the biggest, the Nintendo's first console selling it this high. Nintendo Switch 2, we're coming for you. Let's open the Nintendo Switch. So this is a latch here. Why is it half open, bro? Come on. I opened this latch, I guess. And I think we open it like this. Ooh. Okay, there's a screen here, which is bigger. And it has like magnets here for the Joy-Cons to be connected, which is, I think, better. And we have the red Joy-Cons. I'll explain it all about, and I'll set it up, and let's see if it turns out or what. Like, we can see the blue Joy-Cons here. And I think we open this. Yeah. There's more stuff. I love stuff. Here it says it's an HDMI ultra speed, the high ultra speed cable. So I think you connect this, like if you wanted to work in your TV, you put this in and it works. And then we got this too, like rest, like how they have that click thing, like this is, I think, pretty nice. Like, it's just nice. I have no words for this, actually. Same thing with the blue one here. I think we open this. We don't need that. Yeah, and you saw nothing. Obviously, you guys have a manual here. And what is this? Oh god, this is amazing actually. This is like if you add those two Joy-Cons, like if you add two of these, you can start playing like a controller. But oh my god, this is absolutely incredible. Just look at it. We have these two thingies as well, to connect it. But this is nice, like it is much better than the previous one. I think I have it here. Yeah, I mean significantly look at the difference. Yeah, it's really big, okay? Yes, need that as well. And then we have the adapter. Why is it so heavy, bro? It's actually heavy. And we have the wire for plugging the Nintendo in. And here, why is this so hidden? Okay, I'm just gonna take this. This is like wrestling. Oh my heavens. This is the dog. He's much better. I love it. I think you open it like this. Yeah. Can you see this? The Nintendo Switch, it takes in the cool air and pulls the hot air out to keep the system cool. And the old one, it didn't even have that. It was just steaming hot every time for like 2 hours, 3 hours. But this is very nice actually. Let's put this on the other side here. Well, the box is, done. Let's put that down. Now let's go back to the screen. Screen, where are you? Okay. The screen here. I have a couple of friends for this one. I've seen it. And oh my god. This is absolutely incredible. Let's have the screen. Let's go for that. Okay. Number one, let's look at the top. So we have a headphone jack here. Headphones. We have a cable C. I want to talk about it later. And we have a bunch of fans, and we got volume and a button, and then we also got the game card, of course. The game card, like it opens the opposite way. Like you gotta go backwards and open it. Like once it opens, just look at it. It's satisfying. Right? Let me show you again. It opens, and then you can put the game card in. But why is the game card slot like so big? I'm gonna add a game later for this. And do you see this? The stand? It's sturdy. It's sturdy. I mean, ooh, amazing, amazing. Okay, let's start with the red black one. Apparently, they should attach magnetically. Like, how do I do this? Oh, that is satisfying. And then you have a button over here. Like, if you just touch it, like, I hear that smack, bro. That's nice. And then we have this. Wait, before I'm gonna say that, I realized something. The Nintendo Switch also has like the home button and another C button. That's also for game chat. If you don't know what game chat is, it's like you can talk. And let me do you a size comparison, okay? Just look at this. The size is absolutely amazing. Look at the screen. Like look at the difference. Let me scoop that out. Just look at that difference, bro. It's more like a monitor now. It's not, but it's like this. It's now just a joke. I would say this is the exact same weight as this one. I don't know why actually. That's something I have to ask Nintendo about. Why is this literally like? Why is it the same when this is just bigger? Okay, let's ask that later. The Joy-Cons, I would have to say, size comparison. I'm gonna have a tough time getting used to this because I'm just used to having this tiny one instead of this big magnesium one. I'm gonna have a tough time. Let's put you aside for now. Let's attach you. Oh, yeah, yeah. Like it's just amazing to just see this big screen. Can you turn on? Like I didn't charge it. Okay, turn on. God, God. You can kind of hear the sound. Wow, you can hear that music. I'm gonna keep it aside for now. But okay, let's see. We got um the cables. Nothing really that that surprising. We just got two cables. You know, the average. I think I have the same thing here. For some reason, this is heavy. Like you could do dumbbells like this and you will get stronger. Yeah, I'm kidding actually. You can get stronger. We got this as well. You know what? Let's remove you. That's satisfying. Let's add you. Did you hear that? That click, bro. Look at this, bro. This is nice and durable. We got the thingies here. They're also nice. I like it. The Nintendo dock. I love this. I'm gonna stop playing, and my next video is about to be different tricks, like about the Nintendo. So, I love this. I'm gonna say it's significant, upgrade. And I can now stop listening to this music because this music is absolutely nice. But I love this. The Nintendo Switch 2 is absolutely amazing. And I hope I see you next time. And I gotta end this video because it's 10 minutes. 10 minutes of shit. Bye.